Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Citroen key. This is quite a straightforward one to do this. It's one of the later Citroen keys. Just to check your key is the same before you proceed. Okay, we'll just pop that down a second. We need a 2032 battery. Quite a common one this, available in most stores. We'll pop that to one side and we'll get straight into it. So if this remote fails and you can't get into your car, if you press this button here, it actually just slides across to the left, and then you just slide that up. I don't need to take this out to do the battery, but I'm just showing you this is here. This is your emergency access key should the remote fail. Now the location of the lock for the emergency access key varies on different models, so that's something you need to check, but we'll just pop that to one side. Now if we get a little small screwdriver, and we're going to take this rear panel off here, and if you just go in there, there's a little indentation, and literally this one's quite a straightforward one. As you can see, the back of the key just clipped up there. We'll pop that down there, and that reveals the battery there. So the battery is in, positive side up, negative side down. Now when you're releasing these batteries, just be careful where you go in that you don't break any of the tabs or the terminals. Just carefully flick it out, and there you go, it's out. So there's your positive side of the battery there, and your negative side always has a domed edge. Okay, so we'll just get the new battery. Here's one I've taken out of the packet earlier. So we're just going to pop that in. Again, just be careful for any little metal tabs or anything. Just carefully and gently clip that in. Can you see that just clips straight back into place? Now with the rear of the key, it hooks in at the end there, and then just snap that back down into place. Get your emergency key. That'll only go in one way, and there you go, that's job done. That's the Citroen keyless remote with the battery changed. Hope that was helpful for you today. Please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you soon.